Hello and welcome to Tech 18. I'm Muhammad Adnan, and in this video we are going to talk about Fabric CLI. This is really going to be a game changer for Microsoft Fabric users. So CLI stands for Command Line Interface. You may think about this is a kind of old ways of doing things. Yeah, that may be true, but the thing is you can bring things fast, flexible and scriptable the way how we work with Microsoft Fabric. And I really like the idea why Microsoft has brought up this thing. If I just talk about what they have written on this one, what is Microsoft Fabric CLI, it basically talks about it's a command line interface where we can explore and manage, automate workspaces, item pipelines, and many more. It really simple things what they are given as a script. And also the reason why they are built for this one, I really like this one. They say here Fabric as the operating system for data, a unified end-to-end platform where developers and data professionals can work seamlessly across the entire data stack. This Fabric CLI is a step in this direction. You see, it's just the starting up of the Fabric CLI. There are a lot more to come in going further. So it maybe feel like we are working on Windows operating system and we are interacting with Word document, Excel kind of file. Similarly, Fabric you can say as operating system for the data, and the notebook, pipelines, Power BI, and all other stuff can be treated as files inside to that. And now you may think about this can be helpful only for the developers, right? Those who are admin or managing things on those stuff. That's really not true because Microsoft is actually looking for this to develop for data analysts, system administrator, also for power users who want to explore and run items more efficiently, who want to manage Fabric environments at scale, or who want to automate routine tasks or build repetitive workflows. So here it is for everyone. Now, to start with this one, I also tried this one. But before going into that, just have a look into this one. If you want to access something here to list the workspaces, you need to write this line of code in the C sharp, whereas in the command line interface, it's just ls list. That's it, as simple as that. You may not believe that, but I will show you in the demo. It actually works the same way. And Fabric CLI actually works in two different modes. One is interactive mode, another is command line mode, which is the scripting mode. So in interactive mode, you are actually entering into an interactive shell where you can just start asking, typing your messages so that it can give you these results out of it. Whereas in the command line interface, you can give the command and it can run to whatever you are actually specifying over there. That's it. So here, as you can see, both of them actually doing the same job, which is start a data pipeline. But on the top, it's giving as an interactive mode, and in the bottom, it's actually a command line mode. You can go ahead with both the options, but some of the functions it only works in interactive mode, which we'll discuss in the future videos about how it actually works. Now, when it comes to this, how you need to install, basically you just need to open your VS Code or command line and then just type here pip install ms fabric CLI. So once you do so, it's going to install that and then the next thing begins. So let me open up here. This is actually my working session of the Fabric CLI. A lot more to come in future, but let me just open up a new window here, open folder itself. So this can be Fabric CLI demo and select this folder. This is entirely a new thing which I am using up here, and I'm just adding a new file just for my reference is to be main.py because I want to do some more things inside to that. So I just want to create a Python file. But the main picture here is in the terminal, right? If I open up this terminal here and then just copy this pip install ms fabric CLI and hit enter, then this is going to get all those things installed within this Visual Studio Code thing. And now this is installed. And after that, I just need to use fab auth login. So now I need to just pass here fab auth login. When I press on this one, it's asking me four different options, and I can navigate through my keyboard cursor here, arrow keys. One is interactive with a web browser. When I click on that, it's going to open up in a web browser, and then I need to pass the credentials. Or if I want to use service principal with authentication with secrets is my favorite option. I'll explore these things in future videos as well. And also you can use this with certification and manage identity authentication if required. So here for this demo, I just want to use with interactive with a web browser. I just go here and then select my email ID. And once it is done, authentication completed, you can close the window. So I come back here, it's giving me here, welcome to Fabric CLI, and type help here. I just want to type here ls. So it's going to list me all the workspaces available on my access here. This is only a reminder for you here. This will give the list of available workspace for the user which I have logged in. It's not actually giving this all the by default. If you are using a service principal, then you need to add the service principal in that workspace as an admin or any user type. Then only it's going to list all the workspaces which it has access to that. So this is how it gives me here. Now, if I want to log out here, I can just click on fab auth here, or I can just click here exit for now. It's going to come out from here, and then I can use just fab auth logout. Then logged out of the Fabric account. That's it. There is a lot more to come in this series, so stay tuned for that. If you are new to this channel or if you haven't subscribed yet, just click on subscribe button. If you like this video, just hit the big thumbs up button. Share it with your friends and colleagues. If you have any queries and feedback, let me know in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. Keep learning. See you in the next video.